Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amruta Varambe, pediatrician and nutrition expert, and this is my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. In this channel, I will be sharing with you lot of interesting recipes to make your kids happy and healthy. So do subscribe to this channel. Today, I am going to tell you 3 health drinks which will not only help your children to get energy, but they will also help in their growth and development.
Let us see the ingredients required for our nutty chikku milkshake. This is 300 ml of cold milk, 3 chikkus. I have removed their peel and seeds and chopped them, 8 cashew nuts chopped, 2 teaspoons of sugar and 8 walnuts chopped. Now the recipe is very easy. We have to just mix all the ingredients and blend them. Only one thing, I am not going to use walnuts for blending. I am going to use it for garnishing because some kids do not like the walnut taste in their milkshake. So now let's blend together chikku, cashew nut, sugar and milk, and then we'll be garnishing it with walnuts. Now my milkshake is ready, and now I have garnished this milkshake with chopped walnuts. Walnuts are very good brain boosting foods. So our healthy nutty chikku milkshake is ready. At first, we will prepare a powder using badam and kesar, which you can store it and then you can make your badam kesar milk instantly. The health benefits of badam are well known, but today I am going to speak something about kesar. Now, first we will roast almonds. Now, speaking something about kesar, kesar has hepatoprotective and gastroprotective activity. It is very good for our bones too. One of the most important health benefit is that it improves sleep. So it is used as a home remedy for insomnia. Also, some people recommend to give saffron milk just before bedtime as it helps to get a sound sleep. Almonds are now well roasted. I will cool them and then in a mixie I will make a fine powder of almond, kesar and sugar. Now our powder of almond, kesar and sugar is ready. To prepare almond and kesar milk, I have taken 1 teaspoon of this powder. We have kept our milk for boiling. Now I will add the kesar badam premix powder to this milk. We have to boil this milk for 1 or 2 minutes. I have not added sugar as our powder already has sugar. But if you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar to this milk. Our almond kesar milk is now ready. This milk is good for children of all ages. To make this nutritious drink, I have taken 1 glass of boiled milk, then 1 katori of popped rasgira or amaranth. Rasgira or amaranth is known since ancient times. It is very rich in nutrients like proteins, essential amino acids, vitamins, and it is also very good for bones. So nowadays it is gaining popularity as a superfood. Then I have taken the almond kesar mix which we have prepared, 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Amount of sugar can be adjusted according to a child's taste. First, I will prepare a powder of popped up rasgira seeds. So the powder is ready. We have kept our milk for boiling. Now I have added to this the amaranth powder and our badam and kesar mix. We have to just boil it for 1 or 2 minutes and our drink will be ready. So our nutritious drink made from locally available ingredient is ready. Do make this Rajgira milk and give it to your kids for better health.
So friends, aren't these recipes and drinks easy to make? So next time, whenever your child demands for a drink, choose any one of them. Also, I will be giving you lot of healthy drink choices which you can make for your kids. So keep watching. Till then, bye bye friends. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.